Hey fam, it's your girl Miss C here to get you in step with an instructional video of your favorite line dance. Now today we're doing DWF line dance. It stands for Dancing with Friends. It is a two-wall dance and it has two parts, and each part has 4/8 counts. Part one is really easy. It's 2/8 counts repeated. Part two is a little more intricate with all the footwork, but I'm here, so I got you. So let's get started. All right. So I'm going to turn my back to make it easier to follow. Okay. This is my right. This is my left. That's the front wall. That's the back wall. All right. So start part one. We're going to start with right heel down, left heel down, right heel down, left heel down. You're walking up for 4 heels. So it's and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. And then you go back with the right. Same thing. Heel down, left heel down, right heel down, left heel down. So 4 heels up, 4 heels back. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right heel, right heel, and left heel. Now back. Right heel, right heel, left heel. And the count. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay. And it's just that fast. All right. So let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay. All right. The next count of 8, you're going to step out with the right foot, right out and then in, and the left foot out and in. And then you're going to turn around, half turn over your right shoulder. So you're going to push it back 5, 6, 7, 8 for a count of 4. All right. So what do? We just went out, in, left, out, and then turn around right, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let's put those 2/8 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now out, in, turn. 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's try all of that. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right heel, right heel. Now back, right, left, right, and out, in, turn. 5, 6, 7. Repeat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Right out, in, left out, in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. All right. That's part one. Told you it was easy. Now, part two, we're going to start with our left foot. We're going to step left, right, left. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, right, left. Okay. From here, you're going to start now with the right on 5. Right, left, you're stepping forward. Right, left, 5, 6. Right, left. Okay. So it's 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Okay. So that whole 8 count is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, let's try it again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, so we're stepping up, 2, on 3, then push back, and 4, step up again, 5, 6, back, right, left, and 7 and 8. Okay. That's first 8 count of part 2. Okay. From here, rock easy. 1, 2, kick 3, step right, step left, and 4. Okay. So we just went 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Right foot is up. So you're just going to step back with a rock easy. 1, 2, this foot is still forward. Right foot is still forward. So you're going to kick it. 3 and 4. Kick, ball, change. Okay. So we just came back 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Rock easy, turn, pivot, turn, half turn. You're facing the back. 1, 2, kick 3, and 4. Okay? And to finish it off, you snake right, snake left, and then snake down. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? All right. So that second 8 count of part 2. Okay, so we just went, well, let's put those 2 8 counts together. Let's start from beginning of part 2. Start with the left forward. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, kick, and 4. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Okay? All right. So we're facing the back now. All right? Y'all want to do that again? Let's do it one more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, kick, and 4. 5, 6, 7. Okay? All right. All right, so now you're facing the back. From here, you're going to kick right, kick left, kick right, cross, and kick. So the count, 1, 2, 3, cross, kick. Okay? You don't have to do your head. That's just me doing too much. Ready? So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Okay? So we just went right, left, right, cross, right, step down with the right, on your toe, so that you can twist out, right? So you're gonna fan your heel out, okay? Twist out. And then you're gonna switch, twist out on this one. So the count, well, the whole 8 count is kick, 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 cross, kick, and 5, twist, and 7, twist. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. All right, so it's kick, 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 cross, kick, and 5, twist, 7, twist. Okay? And then from here, the last 8 count of part 2, you're just going to counterclockwise a turn for a count of 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. That is part 2. A lot of footwork. Let's try it again. Ready? From the beginning of part 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk left, right, left, push back, right, left, right, left, right, left. From here, rock easy. 1, 2, kick, ball, change, snake it, snake it, snake it. And then from here, right, left, right, cross, right, and 5. Twist it, and 6, twist it. And then around in circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're facing the back, and the dance starts over with part 1. Okay? So let's try it. Let's try it from here. Ready? We're starting with part 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, 6, 7, repeat, and 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 6, 7, 8, and out, in, turn, 6, 7, part 2, walk, 2, 3, push back, walk up, and back, easy, kick, ball, change, roll it, roll it, roll it. Now 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and circle clockwise. 5, 6, 7, 8 in the dance. Then it repeats on the back wall. All right. So it is pretty fast. I've slowed it down a little bit. So let's try to pick it up just a little bit. Ready? Because this is a fast-paced dance. Y'all hear me kind of breathing a little hard. Woo! Let me get back in the gym. All right. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, 6, 7, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, right, left, out, right, out, left, turn. Part 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, kick. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Now kick. 2, 3, and 4, and 6, and 8. Turn, turn, turn. 5, 6, 7, repeat. Okay? In the dance. So now you're facing the back and you repeat it. So let's do it from the back, right? Give you another angle. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, back, 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 out, out, turn. 6, 7, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 6, 7, 8, out, out, in, turn. Part 2. 1, 2, 3, push back. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Rock, kick. 5, 6, 7. Kick, 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 cross kick. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Turn. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back at the front to do part 1. So again, 2 walls, front and back, 2 parts. That's it. So I'm going to do it with music. I catch my breath and let you guys see it in real time with the song. All right. So if this was helpful, let me know. Like, share, subscribe, grow with me. I hope this is helpful to you. I love doing it. Hope you get something out of it too. All right. Until next time, let me know what you'd like to see too. So much out there. All right. Thank you guys. Love you. Mwah.